Hey everyone, welcome back once again. And today I'm again with few more job vacancy that is for the Canada location. And let me tell you guys, these job vacancy are very interesting because they do not require any type of experience. Plus, you can also try on these vacancy to work from home location. Yes, friend. Today in this video, I'm going to discuss all these vacancy which are open up for the Canada location in different profile, but for the call center job. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about everything. What are the salary package they are offering you? How much you had to work? Are the job responsibility? Everything we are going to discuss in this video. But before we get started, let me tell you this channel is all about providing you the job information across the globe. So do not forget to subscribe it and hit the bell icon. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, on my computer screen, you can see over here, right over here on my computer screen, I have opened one website. In this website, you can see over here, there are many openings for call center. But in this video, we are going to discuss only 5 those vacancy which are open for different location in Canada. So you can see right over here, the first vacancy is for the profile of junior sales agent. That profile, you can work from home remotely till then COVID-19 get over, and I think it will take 1 to 3 years to get all the situation normal. The second vacancy is for the profile of customer service representative, and the third profile is for the customer service chat representative, and the fourth profile is sales representative, and the fifth profile is bilingual customer service representative. They all are for the different location in Canada. First vacancy is for BC, then second vacancy is for Ottawa, third vacancy you can see over here the location, and fourth for you can see the location, and fifth you can also see the location. So guys, these are the different job vacancy, but for the call center they are opening. So first we will discuss about the first vacancy, that is for the junior sales agent remote. You can see over here the company name is MP Fire, and let me tell you guys, this company is very good. If you are a fresher, you need to learn how to sell any product, you need to learn the psychology of sale. You can start a career in this company. As you can see over here, right over here, they are providing you a perfect opportunity, and you are looking for a job where you can start your career in sale. You can see over here they have just giving you an opportunity to learn how to do a sale and how to understand the sales psychology. Everything you can check out over here. Also, you for this job they have a requirement for good communication skills, and you need to sell out their product and services. Whichever things they have, you need to sell out that particular things to other to the clients, to the new customer, and also they are going to provide you a good training related to how to sell product, which will be combined of both digital and ground sale. So guys, you can check out this vacancy if you are willing to learn sales and you are willing to start a career in good sales line, because I think sale profile is the best profile if you are entering into a world of private sector. Check this job vacancy and you can apply directly. I have mentioned the link in the description box. Second job vacancy is for bilingual entry level customer service representative. You can see over there the company name is Gilmore Glover, and the location is Ottawa. This you can see over there here, this job is temporarily performed remotely, meaning work from home due to COVID-19 pandemic. So guys, this is the best opportunity if you are looking for a job where you can work from home. Then this job is for you if you're looking out a job for work from home opportunity. The only thing they have a requirement that you should have a good communication skills, both in writing and in verbal, in English and in French. And also this company is going to provide a good opportunity. All the jobs responsibilities and duties are mentioned over here. Salary we talk about, they're going to pay you $35,000 to $37,000 annually, and this is in full time employment. And if you want to apply for this job, I have mentioned you the mail ID. You can directly send your resume on this mail ID. I am showing you in my on my video. Also, I have given you the link in the description box. You can try this out, and if you really wanted to apply for this job vacancy, you can apply for this position. The next vacancy we are going to discuss about this job vacancy is for the profile of customer service chat representative. You can see over here the location location is given, and the company name is T-Tech. If we talk about the salary, they have not mentioned about the salary. The education is high school diploma or its equivalent. For doing this job, you should have a good internet connection at your home. So guys, these are the vacancy for Canada location. These are all for the call center job. If you're looking out for any type of this job, you can directly click on the link in the description box and apply directly on this website. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then do like it and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Till then, thank you so much and bye bye.